I'm going to add some new data. I'll go to the customers table. Now I've added some already, yours might look different. When I add the customer number, I can't use a number already used because it's a primary key. So if I try that 110, when I try to close the table later, I get an error message. It would create duplicate values in the primary key. I can't save the record. So I'll go back and try 111. Now if you get locked into the cell or you get any problems, try the ESC, the escape key at the top left of your keyboard. And let's add some data. I've added this data, and now I'm going to close the table. And let's look in the higher details table. And you'll notice in here he's not there yet, 111. So we're going to add him to customer number 111. And we need to know what did he want to use, what item number. So if we look at the equipment table, we can see all the item numbers. Let's say he wanted to use the blood pressure monitor. That's 203. So 203 here. And then over here, the invoice number. And I can't use any of these numbers. These invoices have already gone, so I'll try 20. And the hire date, now let's close the table. So now my data is added. If I want to check something like hire dates, open the customer table, you'll see John McDonald with the plus sign, and you can see the hire dates. We can also open the equipment table, and they connect to the hire dates as well. So you can add data this way, but if you try to delete the data, remember you'll get an error message because the tables are related.